Today's Thursday, February 2nd. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado 304 series stainless steel catalytic converter and back exhaust system. This is for my friend Andrew, and this is for the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. It comprises the primary part with the flange connector at the appropriate articulation angle for connection to the catalytic converter in the midsection of the car. So that's pipe number one. Connects to the, or isn't a muffler. We then go with the over the axle pipe and connect to the resonator with the tailpipe curve, all integral in the back. So this is for my friend Andrew. This is not made out of 400 series stainless. This is a 304 long-lasting high nickel stainless steel, properly configured to the tortuous configuration of the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. I went ahead and fabricated two of these, one for myself and one for Andrew. And this will be going out to my friend Andrew in New York as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1976. And over 75,000 Eldorado specific components. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, February 2nd. Thank you very kindly.